फर्स्ट है कर्बिंग टेररिज्म एंड टेररिस्ट फाइनेंसिंग इन अफगानिस्तान and the use of trade and connectivity routes via Iran are key to regional security, said India. As National Security Advisor, Ajit Doval chaired the first India Central Asia meeting of NSAs and Secretaries of Security Councils in Delhi on Tuesday. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday, next news है, the Delhi High Court on Tuesday permitted a 26-year-old woman to terminate her 33-week pregnancy. The petitioner had sought to terminate her pregnancy after she found out that the fetus was suffering from certain cerebral abnormalities. The court noted that while the right of a pregnant woman to terminate her pregnancy has been the subject of debates across the world, India is among the countries that recognize this choice. Next news is the protests were apparently triggered following a proposed visit to Belgavi by Maharashtra ministers Shambhu Raj Desai and Chandrakant Patil appointed as coordinators to resolve the boundary issue. ठीक है, तो महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटक के बीच में बेलगाम बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट है, उसके बारे में है. नेक्स्ट है जर्मन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर एनालेना बेयरबॉक्स visit to India and talks with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar have set the stage for a more updated bilateral relationship. The two sides signed an agreement on mobility and migration that boosts travel for students, researchers and investors and businesses, and the meeting was preceded by Germany's agreement to fund renewable energy projects worth €1 billion. The year 2022 has seen intense high-level engagement as Prime Minister Narendra Modi made 2 visits to Germany for the India-Germany intergovernmental consultations with Chancellor Olaf Scholz in Berlin and the G7 Outreach Summit in Bavaria. The leaders also met at the G20 Summit in Bali. Next, India now reports 2.5 million air pollution related deaths annually. 25 lakh. Pollution not only makes our throats and eyes burn but is much more insidious. Some pollutants are so small that they are able to enter the bloodstream with ease, impacting almost every organ in the body and leading to the onset of health issues such as stroke, heart diseases, respiratory diseases and cancer, to name just a few serious health problems. It is not just about good air, it is about life. The government formed the Commission for Air Quality Management. 38.32 in trillion rupees, ठीक है, 38.32 ट्रिलियन रुपीज़ द वर्थ ऑफ मोर देन 23 बिलियन डिजिटल पेमेंट ट्रांजैक्शंस कैरिड आउट इन जुलाई-सितंबर 2022 इन इंडिया अकॉर्डिंग टू फिनटेक फर्म वर्ल्डलाइन इंडिया. अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडिया डिजिटल पेमेंट्स रिपोर्ट फॉर द थर्ड क्वार्टर ऑफ 2022, यूपीआई क्लॉक्ड ओवर 19.65 बिलियन ट्रांजैक्शंस वर्थ 32.5 ट्रिलियन रुपये, डोमिनेटिंग द सेगमेंट. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ है कि फ्रेंच प्रेसिडेंट Emmanuel Macron during his 2-day visit to the US questioned Joe Biden about clean energy subsidies in the new Inflation Reduction Act (IRA), which European countries believe are discriminatory to non-American companies. What is the US IRA? Signed into law on August 16, the IRA, that is Inflation Reduction Tax, is a $430 billion package of federal spending, tax breaks, credits and levies aimed at fighting climate change, reducing healthcare costs and making large corporations pay their fair share in taxes. The act is a scaled-down version of Mr. Biden's ambitious Build Back Better plan that did not get the Senate's approval in 2021. Besides its goal of bringing down inflation, the act is the biggest climate action package in US history, earmarking $370 billion for climate-focused funding and investments aimed at cutting emissions by around 40% below 2005 levels by 2030. The IRA, that is Inflation Reduction Act, combines climate action goals with industrial policy aiming to transition to clean energy by incentivizing local manufacturing of renewable energy components. It also seeks to reduce American reliance on China for materials and components for the clean energy industry. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ है 29 नवंबर को क्या हुआ, द टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ट्राई floated a consultation paper seeking comments about the potential reduction of a calling name presentation CNAP feature. The feature would provide an individual with information about the calling party similar to Truecaller and Bharat Caller ID and anti-spam. The idea is to ensure that telephone subscribers are able to make an informed choice about incoming calls and curb harassment by unknown or spam callers. Comments for the consultation paper are invited until December 27. Truecaller's 2021 Global Spam and Scam Report revealed that the average number of spam calls per user each month in India stood at 16.8, while total spam volumes received by its users were in excess of 3.8 billion calls in October alone. The government must invest in digital literacy, skilling citizens to navigate and use tech better, ensuring that they do not share their data indiscriminately. Next news है, on November 30, a tool called ChatGPT was released on the internet. ChatGPT created quite a stir, especially among the artificial intelligence crowd, because this tool knew every topic under the sun. It could answer questions and carry on a conversation. Experts in the AI community call this an epochal moment, stressing how powerful ChatGPT is. This tool interacts with humans in natural language and is impressive because, aside from answering general queries, it has many other functions. ChatGPT has been developed by OpenAI, which is a research institute and a company that focuses on developing artificial intelligence technology in a responsible and safe way. It was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. Language models. ChatGPT is much more than a chatbot. For example, you can ask it to write a program or even a simple software application. It can also do creative tasks such as writing a story. It can explain scientific concepts and answer any question that needs factual answer. ChatGPT is what is called a language model rather than a chatbot. When a neural network processes these numbers, it can differentiate words according to different contexts. For example, when shoot appears with gun, the neural network knows that the word that will follow may mostly be bullets or victims, whereas when shoot appears with camera, the neural network knows that the following words may be picture or pixel. With a further refining technique called transformer, a neural network can accurately understand the context of a sentence or a paragraph. This comprehension can be used for multiple purposes like answering a question, summarizing a paragraph or an article, translating documents, and so on. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उठता है कि इस ChatGPT the most powerful NLP tool for conversational purposes? The answer is yes. However, it may not be equally powerful in specialized contexts. For example, if a doctor needs an automatic conversational assistant for medical queries, the neural networks behind the ChatGPT need to have been trained on specialized data. Considering that ChatGPT can write programs, it should be possible to make it knowledgeable on any specialized topic eventually. For general purposes, ChatGPT can be considered the most powerful for now. और लास्ट न्यूज है, आर्म्ड फोर्सेस फ्लैग डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एनुअली ऑन December 7. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट आता है कि युआंग 1-5 क्या है? सर्वेलेंस वेसल है ऑफ चाइना, री एंटर्स इंडियन ओशन वॉयज coincides with the planned Indian long-range missile test between December 15 and 16. Chinese presence in the Indian Ocean began in 2008 under the garb of anti-piracy operations in the Gulf of Aden and has maintained continuous occupancy. ठीक है. तो गल्फ ऑफ एडन क्या है? गल्फ ऑफ एडन कहाँ पे है? मैप में देखनी है. ठीक है. गल्फ ऑफ एडन, गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा, ठीक है, स्टेट ऑफ होमरूज, ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें देखनी है. अब नेक्स्ट है, a month before Gujarat went to polls, the center cleared a state law that empowers police officers to register cases without informing the local court in writing against persons who protest and agitate, violating Section 144 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Section 144 empowers the police and district magistrates to issue order in urgent cases of nuisance of apprehended danger. The Code of Criminal Procedure, Gujarat Assembly Bill 2021 was passed by the State Assembly in March 21. It was sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs to examine. Ministry of Home Affairs gave an opinion to process the bill, after which it became a law in Gujarat. The bill seeks to make any violation of prohibitory orders issued under Section 144 of the CRPC a cognizable offence under Section 188 of the IPC, disobedience to order duly promulgated by a public servant. The bill said that the government of the Gujarat, commissioners of police and district magistrates are empowered to issue prohibitory orders under Section 144 of the CRPC, directing any person to abstain from certain act or to take certain order to prevent disturbance, directing any person to disturbance of public tranquility on various occasions. It said that the police officers, while deployed on such duties, need to take appropriate legal action against the violators under Section 188 of the IPC. The maximum punishment under the section is 6 months imprisonment. Next step, forced to resign as teacher. Trans woman says she was ostracized by colleagues and abused by students. Jane Kaushik 27. Next news है, international workers groups criticize the centre's labour policies, including the 4 new labour codes, at the 17th Asia and the Pacific Regional Meeting of the International Labour Organization. India's new labour codes violate the tripartite agreements among workers, employers, and the government, and give a free hand to employers, alleged Felix Anthony, workers' representatives in the APRM, and senior leaders of the International Trade Unions Conference. Next, Indonesia approves ban on sex outside marriage. The article criminalizing sex outside marriage has been criticized by the Indonesian Business Organization as detrimental to tourism, though authorities insist foreigners traveling to Bali would not be affected. Still needs to be approved by President Joko Widodo, will come into force after 3 years. Next news है कि Russia has exported to India at least 3.7 million tons of all seaborne, ठीक है, ऑयल की बात की गई, यूराल सप्लाईज वाया दी पोर्ट्स ऑफ प्राइमॉर्क्स, ठीक है, पोर्ट्स ऑफ प्राइमॉर्क्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। फिर उस्टलुगा, ठीक है, ये सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है, उस्टलुगा। फिर नोवोरोसिस्क, ये सारे के सारे जो हैं तीनों पोर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट लाइन है कि रशियन यूराल्स ऑयल शिपमेंट्स टू इंडिया अकाउंटेड फॉर अबाउट 53%, अ रिकॉर्ड हाई शेयर ऑफ टोटल टैंकर यूराल्स शिपमेंट्स इन नवंबर, कैलकुलेशन शोड। नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस हैज़ प्रपोज्ड नॉट टू मोनेटाइज रूरल ब्रॉडबैंड नेटवर्क इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर built under the Bharat Net project, according to sources. It plans to replace it with alternative assets to achieve the target fixed under the National Monetization Pipeline. Next है, fertilizer subsidy for financial year 23 may rise to 2.3 से 2.5 लाख करोड़ रुपये। और नेक्स्ट है, इंडियाज थर्मल पावर जनरेशन रजिस्टर्ड अ ग्रोथ ऑफ 16.3% टू 87,687 मिलियन यूनिट्स इन नवंबर दिस ईयर कंपेयर्ड विद 75,412 मिलियन यूनिट्स जनरेटेड इन द ईयर अर्लियर पीरियड।